I don't think it has enough, but they actually dig the place, but there wasn't enough water coming out.
Okay.
So I'm not sure. I might be having, I'm not sure as time goes on, same problem. Because water is very, very essential. Water is life. That's what
after that food.
Water is life. So what I'm thinking, that's why I brought this guy here. Of maybe laying a big pipe into the water.
Yes.
Bring that pipe out. Now, do I need to do something like this, or do I need to put it overhead so that the water will just be continuous, big channel, will just be continuous, whatever. That's
exactly. You got it. Now, what you're going to do, I will show you 2 videos. Okay. I will show you exactly what you need to do. I think I can even gain from that. Now, to prevent that every day for the thief, if you're recording, don't be recording my ogo. You'll be going, you know, like they do in Hollywood. You know, we have this thing that they say, Ojulo or what. That's now up there. Fantastic. But I have a video of a friend of mine somewhere in on the way along Lagos by the expressway who had turned his swimming pool into a fish farm, and then he used the thing for biofiltration.
Okay,
I
think I saw that video.
Yeah, slightly right. Now we know inside the chambers, because the water was recycling and no water was going to go out from the compound. We did one thing. We made sure that the first one was sedimentation chamber to take the solid waste of the fish. Then the next one had the physical filtration, which is the using bacteria. Now I'll tell you how relevant it is to you now. Having gravel, they will now have their own exchange chamber, they will have the contaminant chamber. 4. Now in your own case now, you don't have any problem with waste, because the water is coming from here. All you just have is contamination, no solid waste per se. But even like that, it doesn't mean, you know, someday somebody can just put excrement. You never can say this is going to develop. So I think you better have it too. The first chamber will have a filtration media placed in something like granite. Okay. Are you getting me? To actually filter off any major waste, like let's start this way. First of all, is sedimentation. Okay. Where you have cut pipes right in the front, so that the whole thing will I'll give you the drawing, so that the water will travel slowly in between the first chamber. Now, but so that if there's any solid waste like human feces, or somebody just put one heavy waste, whatever it is, somebody can just pump even mud. Now the mud will settle in the first chamber, but you see have the other one like gamalin or whatever it is that will be in there. So the next one will now go into the next chamber that has the second one might be maybe people are even pouring sewage in the water. We have an option of putting that or not. Right. Now, so the next is to make sure that there are bacteria, not really fixing bacteria in the second one, that will stand in the granite. You can use granite or even waste covers of what's it called? Cans of pure water. What's it called? Bottled water. Bottled water. Limit in the chamber. So that one, you just put fish survival booster in, and then the bacteria there will be ready, willing to eat any waste, any nitrogenous waste at all, anything that's foul. The bacteria will make sure. So water that doesn't have solid waste, that's not foul, will be the one that's going to the third chamber. The third chamber will be ready for any gamalin or sniper or whatever it is that they put in water, agricultural pest materials, right? Then the fourth one, optional, iron. Then if you have that, sir, you can do your business non-stop. So once the water comes in like that, know what you do? 2 ways. Either you allow the ones on top. I'm going to think about this now. You know, this is recorded. Now I'm going to think about it. Is it that the one that comes off first is the one goes off first, and then before it goes to the farm, it will pass through the filtration? Or is it that it's filtered first before now going to the farm? Whichever way you want to do. But if I have my way, I will say do it this way.